For the past 5 years, the FDA has issued more than 600 manufacturing citations. That's more than 600 setbacks, 600 delays, 600 additional costs. Don't rush good manufacturing principles. Take the time to get this part right. My name is Reuter. I'm a qualified person according to EU regulations. I oversee the quality system and I'm authorizing and releasing batches to our customers. Developing cGMP-compliant manufacturing processes is an essential step in turning your drug substance into a clinical product. In this video, we will discuss basic standards you'll need to focus on, how to comply with them, and how to plan ahead to keep your manufacturing processes compliant in the future. When you're ready to fill your clinical batch, you're focused on getting your product into the clinic as quickly and efficaciously as possible. At this point, a lot of teams are in a rush to get their clinical material to their sites. But it's very important to look at the cGMPs to get the right quality of the product. And therefore, it's very important not to hurry, to take the time you need to implement the right GMPs. It saves time and money because you get it right from the beginning. cGMP means current good manufacturing practice. That are basic requirements for the quality and safety standards of a product. The current in cGMP means that the cGMPs are evolving. They are evolving because of the scientific progress. When it comes to clinical manufacturing, the cGMP applies because now we are producing product for human use. These regulations help to achieve a high quality and safe product. cGMP is a set of basic requirements, but it's also specific for different kinds of products. So if you have an inhaled product, there may be applied different cGMPs than for a sterile product. It's getting more complicated for injectable products. For biologics, they are more stringent, more robust than for normal products. The most important feature of cGMP-compliant clinical filling project: a robust, comprehensive quality system. For an injectable drug product, a strong cGMP quality system has 3 essential components: qualification, validation, and documentation. These are the 3 essential parts for when it comes to clinical manufacturing. So qualification means to find the right equipment for your molecule together with the experienced and qualified people. The equipment is the filling machines, it's the sterilization equipment, it's the containers you need, it's the tubing, it's all manufacturing machinery. During qualification, you use the right equipment which fits for your molecule together with the right people which are experienced and trained on the process. Validation is the next step that comes after qualification. That's developing the right process for your molecule, the right filling process. The aim of a validation process is to achieve a process that's at the end robust and meets all specifications at all time. It's very important to start with the validation process very first at the beginning. So that's filter validation, that's media runs, that's testing methods. To start early on with validation will help you to get all information needed for a process validation at the end of your development. A very important part of cGMP is documentation, and it's very important to start with the right documentation already from the beginning. You need to write down all decisions, all changes, like implementing new equipment, changing excipients. Every development step needs to be documented. Typically you are asked, why have you changed this process? Why have you improved it? How did you change it? Why did you use this excipient? Why did you use this equipment? Only if it's documented, you can show it to the regulator. The EMEA or the FDA want to see that you took always the right decision, the best decision for your product and at the end for the patient. If it isn't written down, it didn't happen, So that's why the regulators want to have everything documented. During clinical trials, of course, you already start building the groundwork for your later submission. You should already start at the beginning to think about your future markets, because for different markets, different cGMPs can apply. There are different cGMPs for the EU, for sustainability, or for data integrity for the US, or for packaging for the Japanese. A CDMO has a lot of experience in cGMP, in basic GMPs, equipment, and in the evolving GMPs. They can help guiding you through all the different cGMP regulations. Right from the beginning, we should decide which future market is needed, but it's very important to make this decision at the beginning. If I can give you one piece of advice, don't rush good manufacturing principles. Take the time to get this part right. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of money.